Hi, this is Kevin at Tutor with the Best, and you're watching 1 Minute Math.
To create the inverse trig function graphs, we need to find a one-to-one portion of each graph, or in other words, a portion that passes the horizontal line test. For the sine function, everything in this green box hits all the values of sine, from -1 up to +1, and it fits between -π/2 and π/2. So our arcsine function is going to do the same, just switch the x and y coordinates. So the lowest point our arcsine function is going to hit is -π/2, and the highest is π/2, and it's going to be between -1 and 1. The same goes for cosine, but our little window here is between 0 and pi, and our y values go between -1 and 1. Switching that, because it's an inverse, our arc cosine function is going to be between -1 and 1 and 0 to pi. The arc tangent function has these two nice asymptotes up at π/2 and down at -π/2, and the function is going to fit nicely in between those asymptotes, just like the standard tangent function does. Notice the arc sine and arc cosine functions have hard stops. They definitely end at -1 and 1 and can't continue, because then they'd fail the vertical line test.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe, or check out the next video in the series by clicking below.